My name's Sean from Punch Technology, and I'm going to show you today how to use the Punch Technology PC configurator. I'm going to start by navigating from the company homepage. By navigating to Buy Configure a PC, a selection of options is displayed. I'm going to select a small business PC. The configurator will only display options which are compatible with previous choices. So don't worry, you can only configure a PC that will actually work. I'm going to start by navigating to this computer here, and I'm going to click on Customize, and I'm then given a number of options. I can choose from different case styles. In this case there's only two options displayed because they're the only two that are compatible with all of the other components in this system. If I would like a different chassis, I would have to start by configuring a different base unit. The first option that's displayed after the case is the CPU. This is the processor for the computer. They're ranged in terms of performance from Pentium at the basic end of the performance spectrum all the way up to the Core i7. I'm going to upgrade this computer to a Core i7. I can then choose further options. So I'm going to choose a motherboard. The motherboard that's selected is the entry-level motherboard that is suitable for most applications, but I'm going to upgrade this one to the GA-B250 because this one offers more storage options. I then have the option of choosing a graphics card. So I'm going to choose the GT1030. Further down we have selections for memory. I would like to upgrade this computer to 16 gigabytes of memory. There are a number of different options with memory. I can choose 8 gig in different speeds. This is the speed of the memory here, and this in brackets, this shows the number of pieces of memory used to make the particular chosen size. So for 8 gigs for example, I could use two 4 gig pieces, or I could use one 8 gig. Then we have some premium brand memory, or where we don't give a brand, this is a generic memory and we will use whatever brand of memory that we have in stock. So for this option I'm going to choose 16 gigabytes. That has 2 sticks of 8 gig and runs at 2133 megahertz. All the options, remember, all of them are compatible with the chassis options you've chosen earlier. Storage, I would like to have 2 drives in my computer. I'd like to specify a solid state drive that's going to give me superior performance. So in this case I'm going to choose the 256 gigabyte PCI Express drive that offers far higher performance than the standard SSD. I'm then going to add another drive. So what we need to do is click on the Add Another button just here, and up pops the secondary storage drive options list. And right here I'm going to select a 4 terabyte hard drive. So my computer will come specified now with 2 storage drives. The primary drive will be the one that has the operating system loaded and will be used to store the majority of applications that you would like to run from the solid state drive. The secondary drive will be more of a data storage drive. This particular chassis doesn't offer any options for cooling or any options to upgrade the power supply, just due to its limited size. If there were options, they would appear right there. I'm going to choose a wireless card, and I'm going to choose a DVD drive. I'm happy with the Windows software that's loaded. I'd like to keep Windows 10 Professional. So now I can review the specification, I can review the price, and if I'm happy to proceed, I can add the PC to the basket. You don't need to worry about any of these being compatible. They will all be compatible because the configurator will not show products that are incompatible with each other. So I can then proceed to check out, and I will receive my PC in a couple of days. Thank you very much for watching.